the recipe of Noodles Frankie. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some hakka noodles, plain flour roti, oil, capsicum, onion, carrot and cabbage which is cut into juliennes, tomato ketchup, salt, garlic cloves which are finely chopped and Szechuan chutney. So let's start. Now take a pot and boil some water in it. Then add half tablespoon of salt. With that 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I am going to add the hakka noodles in it. I added the hakka noodles and now we are going to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until the noodles is soft. After 4 to 5 minutes, the noodles has cooked and it is soft and now I am going to strain it. I strained the noodles and now I am going to add some cold water on it so that the cooking process has stopped. I added the cold water and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Then add some finely chopped garlic cloves. And now we are going to mix it well and cook it until it is aromatic. The garlic cloves are aromatic and now I am going to add the onion. Mix it and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, the onions are cooked and now I am going to add different types of vegetables. So first, carrot which is chopped into juliennes, cabbage which is also chopped into juliennes and some capsicum. And now we are going to mix it properly and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the vegetables are cooked and now I am going to add salt as per taste. With that, tomato sauce 2 tablespoons. Then Szechuan chutney 2 tablespoons. And now we are going to mix it properly and cook the sauces. The sauces have cooked and now I am going to add the strained noodles in it. I added the noodles and now we are going to mix it properly until everything coated the noodles. Everything has coated the noodles and now we are going to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, the noodles have cooked and they are ready and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a pan and grease some butter on it. Let the butter melt. The butter has melted and now I am going to add the roti in it. And now we are going to roast it for 1 to 2 minutes on both the sides. The roti has roasted on both the sides and now I am going to transfer it on a plate. I transfer the roti into this plate and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce on it. With that, 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney. And now we are going to mix it and spread it well. I spread it well and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of the noodles in it. I transferred the noodles on the roti and now I am going to pack it tightly. I wrapped it tightly and now I am going to insert a toothpick in it and then I am going to transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I made one more Frankie. You can serve it with tomato sauce. So this is my delicious and tasty Noodles Frankie recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.